Oh, I'm so excited to bring you these, and I just hope that you recognize each of them, how beautiful they are. So what we've got is Viscose knits. They're all Italian. They are all two-way stretch. They are, except for the black. I put the black in, I'll tell you why. But they're all just beautiful. They're brand new for spring. You can really tell because of the uniqueness of not just the colors, but the patterns. They're just so current. This first one is a border print. It's about an 8-inch border at the top. This stretches two directions, so it's a gray and kind of a milk color background with an 8-inch border across one selvage only. Just perfect for a cute little top, skirt, pants at the bottom. Can you imagine? Just adorable, just like in all the stores, and yet we say, where do we find that kind of fabric? Here it is. Now also they're all $19.99 today and tomorrow. They will go up to $29.99. $19.99 is too much of a giveaway price, but I can't help myself. This next one is 100% viscose. It's a panel. So the 1 yard is included in the panel, and the panel goes from the black up to the top of this floral and border pattern. This is actually toward the top, not toward the bottom. So again, two-way stretch, beautiful. The background is black, the colors are greens and reds, and it's just absolutely lovely. $19.99, again, just crazy. This next one, I just love these, you guys. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? All the pinks. Pinks are everywhere. A little green, black background, viscose, great drape, two-way stretch, $19.99. I put this in because it's black, but it's a scuba. But this scuba is incredibly light. I bought this again from my Italian people. It has stretch in both directions. It is a cotton poly, but boy, does it feels so nice. It just feels good. I can tell by the burn, it's mostly cotton, but the scuba, both sides are usable. It's just perfect. It's just the perfect pairing for any of these. This next one, I just love this. The color is right down the middle. It's got black on the both ends. It kind of duplicates itself. Look at those colors. They're just beautiful. They almost look like a hillside, but it's floral. Just really beautiful. Again, we're at $19.99 today and tomorrow only. Then I love this. It's just a contemporary version of the colors that are current now. The greens, the blacks, the reds, a little bit of touch of pink. Stretch in both directions. Great drape. It's a viscose. It's just beautiful. Just really beautiful. So the goal of Saturday savings, they are tremendous. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.